A very good o'clock, all the dear students. Here I am Nikita ma'am, your geography teacher. Hope you all are doing well at home. And amidst of this pandemic, the studies are going on. We will also start our syllabus today with the explanation of chapter 1, that is locational setting of India. And in this chapter, we are going to compare the locational settings of India with China and Australia too. Okay. In this chapter, we will also study about how the locational settings of India or the location of India is important and beneficial to India with respect to the location of other countries in the continent of Asia or in the whole world. Okay, so let us start our discussion with a very introductory class, and in this video, I will be talking about only the summary of the chapter. Okay, then in next videos we'll go into the details. So what is the size and area? Let us talk about it. India lies in the southern part of Asia. Coming to the location, the prime location, that is the lies in Asian continent, and that too in the southern part of Asia, and it is separated by the Himalayas from the rest of the continent. Okay, why do we say to the south of Asia? Because it is separated by rest of the continent. As you know, the Asia is the largest continent, hence the boundary of Himalayas separate us from rest of the continent. Okay, it encompasses vast areas of diverse physical features. Geographically, India extends from Himalayas to the Indian Ocean. See, India is a very rich in the geographical features. In every respect, you can find every type of landforms here, may it be mountains, may it be plateaus, vast plains, or fertile lands, may it be deserts, or any kind of peninsular region. You can find diverse geographical features in India. Almost every kind of landform exists here, and India extends from the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean. Okay, two most important climatic features that are found in India, which are rare to any other country. In most of the countries of the world, we find a uniform type of climate, or we find extreme types of climate in many countries. But when it comes to India, it has a benefit of being located at the or being Tropic of Cancer passing through it, hence it receives abundance of sunshine, okay, from the tropical sun, and monsoonal rains, okay, due to heavy precipitation because of heavy rainfall and then high humidity over the areas where sunshine is received. We also are rich in the monsoonal season, which gets lots of rain, okay. There are also different seasons in India experienced. Every kind of season we experience here, be it winter, summer, monsoon, be it any other autumn season, spring season. Okay, all kinds of seasons are witnessed in India. So India is considered as a subcontinent as it comprises all the characteristics of a continent. Okay, all these characteristics which I explained just now cannot be found or are not possible to be found in a single country, but these all characteristics are somehow found in India, hence it is known as a subcontinent. Means it is rich with all the features of a continent, hence not being a continent we call it a subcontinent instead. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. Now coming to the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India, so we already very well aware about this, that India extends from 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north, that is around 30 degree latitudinal extent total, and 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east, and that's also around a 30 degree longitudinal extent. So there is a variation of about 30 degree between these longitudes, which leads to a time difference of nearly 2 hours between the easternmost and the westernmost part of the country. So if we calculate the time difference, we know that with every 1 degree there is a difference of 4 minutes in the local time of an area. Hence the local time of the easternmost part of the country, that is Arunachal Pradesh, and the westernmost part of the country, that is a Ran of Kutch in Gujarat, the time difference varies to around 2 hours, okay, because of the difference of 30 degree in the longitudes of these areas, okay. And this is the reason why that sun rises the most early in Arunachal Pradesh and the most later in the western part, that is Gujarat, okay. India covers 3.28 million square kilometer area and accounts for 2.4% of the world's land surface, okay. The mainland coastline is 6100 kilometer long, and the coastline of Andaman and Nicobar, if we talk about including the territories of Andaman and Nicobar, the coastline of India becomes 7517 kilometer long, okay. Neighboring countries of India, and a most important point here to be noted is that India is also known as a peninsula. Why is it called a peninsula? Because it is a land surrounded by water on 3 sides, okay, or oceans on 3 sides. You can see Indian Ocean in the south, and then you can see the Arab Arab Sagar, and also the Bay of Bengal, okay, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal in respectively west and east of India, okay. Now the neighboring countries are China, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. So India is located at the head of the Indian Ocean, okay, and therefore commands trade routes in all direction. As I already told you that it is surrounded by water on 3 sides, and all important trade routes are in the control of India. Therefore location, size and economic resources make it a dominating country. Indian Ocean is named after India, okay. You can see the significance of India from this fact that an ocean being named after a country is the only instance in the world कि किसी ocean का नाम किसी country के नाम पर रखा गया है, okay. China is the third largest country in the world with a total area of 95.97 lakh square kilometer. We are comparing China and Australia with India. So China shares its borders with India, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Mongolia, Russia, Korea, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan and Afghanistan. Okay, China extends from 18 degree north to 54 degree north. That is a large latitudinal extent, and from 74 degree east to 135 degree east. That is also a large longitudinal extent. Okay. We'll go in the details in further videos. Australia is also known as the island continent as it is surrounded by oceans from all sides. Okay, Australia is basically an island and it's one country which comprises the whole continent. Okay, so it has an area of 76,86,848 square kilometer. It lies wholly in the southern hemisphere and it extends from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south. Okay, because it is wholly in the southern hemisphere and in the eastern also, that is 114 degree east to 154 degree east longitude. So that was some general discussion about the chapter. In further videos I will explain you the details of the topics preceding. Okay, thank you.